Guys, send money in a complainers. Send money in a complain. In Cambodia, they've given Africans 36 hours. Like South Africa, Banipa, the entire 6 months. So Lalel, the royal government of Cambodia has ordered Africans they must pack izinto zabo and go. Bathi bafaka citizen afana ne Ghana, Kenya, Cameroon, Uganda, etc. Ukuthi they must leave before the 31st of May 2026. It means with these people, they've got less than 36 hours. So in a notice issued by the General Department of Immigration, some authority they want to go to any foreigners found in Cambodia from the 1st of June 2026, they will face an arrest or a 2-year jail term or a fine estimated to $8,000. So $8,000 now, so you compare to Amarands, it's about 130,000 rand. They will fine up to 130,000 rand before Baba deport. And then Cambodia police, they also expected to begin this nationwide crackdown of overstaying foreigners from June the 1st. So abantu abahlezi in Cambodia for a very long time, they will be dealt with as from 1 June. So the government intensifies the enforcement as its immigration laws. Send money in a complaint about South Africa. So Cambodia, guys, it's a country like in Southeast Asia. It has about 17 million citizens. So nabo, but people from Africa abahambi. But abahambi Cambodia, guys. So let me know in the comment section.